Thanks for watching Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing Box Break 2013-14 Select Basketball. We keep doing it because it's so good. We'll start by saying you can visit us now at www.valleysportscards.com. We now have it available so you can shop at home. Just about everything in the store is available online. Shop at home, pay PayPal, pay when you pick it up. Just check it out. Also have Facebook, Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing. Go there, there's a 10% off coupon. Like the page, print the coupon, bring it in, get 10% off any one item every time you come in the store. Instagram, we are Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana with underscores between every word. On Twitter, at Cardboard Lord. And we're right here at 19640 Ventura Boulevard, 818-705-2255. And let's open up the box. Oh, if we have two players on the different teams, we will go to random.org to settle the argument. And let's announce the winners. First things first, 2274, new bidders. You got the Lakers, the Cavs, the Clippers, and the Warriors. 5515, you got the Bulls, you got the Thunder, you got the Timberwolves. 3002, you got the Bucks. And before I go, we got to say we got a big announcement coming up in a week. We have an ex-Laker will be appearing in the store doing an autograph signing. We'll tell you the name in a week. Tune back in to hear. All right, here we go. Two mini boxes. Usually 2 hits per. There's blue cards, there's gold cards, red cards. There's the Pulsar purple ones that are pretty cool. All right, first one. Oops, flying. Let's do that one first. Oops. Is that a hit or is that a white card of death? Morris, Stuckey, Hill, and nothing. Ray Allen, Prism, Steven Adams, rookie. Fareed. That is a really. I wonder how that happens. Larry Sanders, ex-Buck, Chandler, Millsap, Iguodala, Cullen, and Jefferson. Ginobili. And there you have a blue chrome, sky high, numbered out of 49, Dwight Howard, Houston Rockets. There you go. Boy, that's a nice one right there. Never seen one of those. There's a nice looking card right there. Even if it's Dwight Howard. But that's a nice fat pack. Let's do that one for last. That one's pretty fat too. Bledsoe, Garnett, Reddick, Nerlens Noel, rookie, Walters, rookie, Nowitzki. Lawson, Swaggy P, Mike Conley, minus the junior, James Harden, Meckel. So it does appear as if our 2 hits are in here. And Nets, looks like we have numbered out of 1 out of 30. Oh, wow. Brooklyn Nets, Deron Williams, numbered 1 out of 30. Purple Pulsar. Wow. There you go. Numbered 1. First one. Number 1 out of 30. That is a beautiful card right there. pack. What could be in here? Something tells me that's the hit of the box. Robinson, Butler, LeBron, and white card, only one hit in there. Does that mean there's 3 in the other box, or we've been shorted?
If we were shorted, we will contact them and have them send another hit.
Yeah.
They're really good about that.
It does say 2 and 2. Wow, that does feel pretty fat, actually. Something tells me we're getting 3 hits in this box right here. Really, I can feel if it's, the thing feels like it weighs more than it should. There we go. So we have our second hit of the box. Bogut, Wade, Gordon, Monta, Ellis, jersey, Dallas Mavs. Not numbered. That's 2. Quebec next will be breaking that box of Museum Collection football. Good stuff in there. Turner, Perkins. Redemption. Hit number 3. 4. John Lauer. I believe he's with the Cavs, I think. We'll look it up. But whoever, what team he's with, you win that. Someone did pick the Cavaliers. I think he's with the Cavs. I could be wrong. So that's 3. Lillard, Wall, Claudia, Dang, McLemore, Jordan. So another white card. Richardson, Splitter, George. Man, never gotten 3 in a box. Danny Green, Rudy Gobert, he's good. I feel like a fat one. We'll see that for last. Gerald Green, Dragic, and a purple, the Marcus Aldridge, numbered out of 99, 40 and 99 of the Blazers. There you go. Nice card. Mitchell, Chris Humphreys. Who was he married to?
He was married to the Kardashian.
Oh, he was a Kardashian, yeah.
That was like 5 minutes.
5 long minutes. Lee, Rubio, Tariq, and Deion Waiters. All right, and will hopefully be our 4th hit of the box. Looks like we got it right there. J.J. Hickson, Roy Hibbert, Chalmers, Jimmy Butler, jersey, Chicago Bulls. Congratulations, 5515. That is your card, Jimmy Butler. There you go. Congratulations. And that is the end of our box. Otto Porter and Cantor to finish. Thank you for watching. And that Jaron Williams, numbered 1 out of 30, was the hit of the box. And that was cool. Thank you very much for watching. Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing. Check us out, www.valleysportscards.com. And remember, this Sunday, Donnie Mose from Happy Days will be in the store March 22nd from 3:45 to 5:45. $25 a ticket, $15 for each additional, entitles you to an autograph. Sit down, ask them a question, take a picture. Really, have a seat with Donnie Most. Enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.